Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to exit an archived channel on WhatsApp for PC with the new update. If you've been looking for a clear, easy guide to get it done, you're in the right place. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once the app is launched, you'll see the main interface with your conversations listed on the left side. From that menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Archived. This is where all of your archived chats and channels are stored. Click on it to view everything you've previously hidden. Now, go through the list to find the specific channel you want to exit. WhatsApp keeps your archived chats organized, so it should only take a moment to locate it. Once you've found the channel, position your mouse over it and right-click. This will open a small menu of options. From that menu, select Exit Group. This is the action that permanently removes you from the channel. After you click it, WhatsApp will ask you to confirm whether you really want to leave. This step makes sure you don't exit by mistake. Simply click Exit to confirm your choice. Once confirmed, the channel will be removed from your archived list, and you'll no longer receive updates, messages, or notifications from that chat. This action is final, which means if you ever want to join the channel again, you would need to be re-invited by the channel admins. And that's it. Exiting an archived channel on WhatsApp's PC app only takes a few clicks. It's a quick way to declutter your chats, keep your workspace tidy, and stay focused only on the conversations that matter most to you. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to keep these steps in mind whenever you feel like organizing your WhatsApp chats. With the new update, everything works smoothly, and removing yourself from an archived channel has never been easier.